Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to forward incoming calls on Android phone when we cannot pick up the incoming calls. Okay, to forward incoming calls on our Android phone, we have to activate the call forwarding feature. So first of all, we can go to the phone application. Okay, then we're going to click on the three dots button and go to settings. Okay, and on the setting, we have to select the supplementary services. Okay, and here we just need to click on this call forwarding feature, but just wait for a moment. Okay, you can select the SIM card you would like to activate the call forwarding feature on. And for example, I'm going to select the SIM one. So we can tap on call forwarding on SIM one and click on allow. Okay, and here you can select voice calls or video calls, and I'm gonna go with voice calls and just wait for a moment again. It's still loading. There will be some options for you. As you can see, you can select always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, forward when unreachable. And for example, I'm just going to select forward when unreachable. Then we can set the phone number right here, and I'm just going to add a random phone number like this. Okay, and the phone number has been set. So when I'm unreachable, the incoming calls on my Android phone will be forwarded to this phone number. Alright guys, and that's how we can forward incoming calls on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.